Hi there, are you looking for a professional logo design? Well, you're in the right place. I'm Prakash from LOGOLAND, having experience of serving 5,000 clients around the world. Of course, it's a logo, but we see it as a great branding solution for our client. We just don't design a fantastic professional logo, but we create a visual concept to communicate information and your brand value directly to the customer with ease, which help you beef up the revenue. We have expertise in logo designing, station designing, and of course, in branding solution. For the sake of originality of the design, we always initiate our designing process with some sort of sketching. So these are the sketches we did for our previous clients. Are you really envisioning your logo to be top notch and you want your brand to be stand out and visible massively in the competitive market through our designing concept solution? What are you waiting for? Place an order now. Let's get started. Thank you.